Best First Alert, Kidde, Nest Carbon Monoxide Alarm. Number 5. First Alert CO615 Dual Power Carbon Monoxide Plug-in. Benefits: A. 120 VAC plug-in alarm, test silence button, end-of-life timer. Benefits: B. 7-year limited warranty, battery backup. Benefits: C. Peak level feature displays the highest concentration of carbon monoxide measured since the unit was last reset. Price: $19.10. Number 4. First Alert South Carolina, 9120 BFF Brook SE 9120B Hardwired Smoke. Benefits: A. Hardwired company smoke alarm features battery backup for constant monitoring. Benefits: B. Lights indicate if the alarm is for smoke or for carbon monoxide. Benefit: C. Single test silence button for simple operation. Battery backup 9V sensor type ionization, electrochemical. Price: $35. Number 3. Kidde Battery-Operated. Benefits: A. Smart 2-inch-1 voice alarm, voice announces fire or warning. Carbon monoxide. Benefits: B. Smart Hush, nuisance alarms are silenced by pressing the hush button. Benefits: C. A label indicating date of manufacture is visible on the back of the alarm. Price: $25.59. Number 2. Kidde NCOP 3 Nighthawk Plug-in Carbon Monoxide Alarm. Benefits: A. Digital display displays the level of carbon monoxide the unit is sensing. Benefits: B. In alarm condition you will hear 4 quick beeps, 5 seconds off, repeat. Benefits: C. Meets Underwriters Laboratories, UL 2034 compliance. Price: $29.91. Number 1. Nest Protect Smoke and Carbon Monoxide Alarm. Benefits: A. Works with NEST. Nest has worked hard to design thoughtful devices to help keep you safe and secure. Benefits: B. There's no place like a Nest home. We love home. It's the best place in the world. But not everything inside our homes is lovable. Benefit: C. Know from anywhere. Connect Nest Protect to Wi-Fi and it will send an alert to your phone if the alarm goes off or the batteries run low. Price: $99.99. Check the video description for more information.